Hey guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to add sticker sets on TikTok. So let's open our TikTok application guys and go to the inbox because we need to open some chat. So guys, if you want to set some new sticker pack for your TikTok account, it's very easy to do. But how? Let's tap on this emoji, okay? And guys, here we can find a lot of different default emojis. But guys, remember that after GIFs, you will get another option like stickers. This feature is so good and so fun because, as you can check here, some people created their customized and very funny stickers using the videos on TikTok. So you can find some top video stickers to use, some trending and the new one. This is just filters. And guys, you can set the new sticker packs after going to the sticker set section. You can find the whole list where you can find some stickers you want to download or edit. So this edit section means that all of the stickers packs are just already downloaded on your account and you can smoothly use them after clicking on the use optional beside. But I want to download a new pack, for example this first one, after clicking on the add optional beside. So guys, as you can check right now, the sticker set is smoothly installed, and let's click on the use to get access to the new stickers. It's very cute, I think, really funny. Oh my gosh, yes. And guys, as you can check here, we have the list of our previously added stickers. It's the default TikTok stickers. But if you want, you can customize your sticker gallery with the no troubles. Guys, if you like this tutorial and think that it was really interesting and useful, don't forget to like it below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and guides about the TikTok and other programs. Bye guys, good luck!